we start off with our PDF. Now, if we want to change any information over here, instead of having to pay for expensive software and editable formats in PDF, we simply just open up our Word application right here. Once we've opened it, we come up with our screen. We can just take our PDF and just drag it right here to the platform, and we'll give you a message. Word will convert your PDF into an editable Word format, and it might be optimized. You might lose a little bit of graphics or so. Let's press OK. Now, the longer your PDF is, the longer it will take to transform. Now, here it gives you a message that you can only view it. You don't have permission to edit, but just give it a few seconds and the allow editing will flash up. And there you go, allow editing has come up. Let's press OK. Let's just open this. Now, as you can see from the format, the text is detected as little text boxes all throughout the file. We see that the footer here has also dropped down. So let's just highlight that, Control X to cut it, and we're going to insert the footer back here. Let's go ahead and insert the footer right here. Let's just click onto the first one. We will paste it here with Control V. Click out of this. Now we can simply just go back and edit our text. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look at what we have here. Now we want to change this color. Let's change this color to a nicer blue, and let's just go and add that. So that's changed now to blue. Now here we want to come down and check. So if we have a look, we want to change this to Luxe Perfume, and let's just make this a little bit bigger to have a look. As you can see that it detects 3 different types of text boxes. So we're going to have to remove all of this right here. So let's just clear that. And here we can simply just start to type in Luxe Perfume, but we're going to have to extend this box. There we go. Now it doesn't look quite right. There is a gap here. So the better way to do it is just Format Painter from the previous, and then just highlight that. And now you can see the adjustment has happened here. Now say that we want to just also change maybe the color. We could simply just go there and let's just change this into a red color right here. And there you go. Now, as we scroll down, we might want to add a signature, and that's another simple way to do that is let's grab the signature here and let's try to dump it here, and you can see that the signature has moved. Now we can change the format. We can put it behind the text, move it up as you want so that it fits correctly within your formats. Now, once we've done that, we want to then go back and convert this back into a PDF. So that's it, simply done. File, save as, and once we get to here, instead of a docx, we go to PDF, press save. And do we want to save? Yeah, let's just go ahead. And now we've saved our PDF with all the changes that we have made to our document. So that's it. That's the way to change some simple information in a PDF without having to pay for expensive software.